What is the value of current through the circuit when the battery switch is closed? Whereas in a circuit, three resistors are there and two inductors and one capacitor is there. So at time zero, or else we can say when the switch is closed, the inductor in a circuit provide very high resistance while capacitor starts charging with maximum current. So the equivalent circuit of a given circuit current from a battery can be calculated using a formula I is equal E divided by R, whereas E is the EMF from the battery which is given as 18 volt in the question. Whereas R is representing the total resistance of a circuit. We have two resistance which are having a same amount of resistance 9 ohm. So the total resistance will be equal to R divided by 2. So here we can write I is equal 18 divided by R divided by 2, or else we can write 2 times 18 divided by R, whereas R is given as 9 ohm in the question. When we are applying and simplifying, we will get the answer of 4 ampere. Here, options are not correctly given in the exam itself, but the correct answer here will be 4 ampere only.